Hello children, we are going to look at the short vowel sound of I. What is the short vowel sound of I? E. 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 Now look at this. Try and read with me. What is the sound of B-I? B-I will make the sound B. 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 Now how about this? D-I. D-I will read as D. 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 Now how about this? F-I. Fee. 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 Now this one. H-I. He. 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 J-I, read with me, G, G, G. K-I, key, key, key. L-I, li, li, li. M-I, me, me, me. N-I, ni, ni, ni. P-I, pi, pi, pi. R-I, ri, ri, ri. S-I, si, si, si. T-I, T, T, T. V-I, V, V, V. Now let's look at some blends with O sound. What is the short sound of O? A. V-O. How will you read this? O. Va. 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 Next. T-O. How will you read this? Ta. 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 S-O. Saw. 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 R-O. Ra. 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 P-O. Pa. 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 N-O. Na. 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 M-O. Ma. 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 L-O. La. 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 K-O. Ka. 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 J-O. Ja. 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 H-O. Ha. 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 F-O. Fa. 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 D-O. Da. 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 And B-O. Ba. 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 Now we are going to look at U. What is the short sound of U? A. 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 Now look here. Ba. 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 Ka. 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 da, da, da. Fa, fa, fa. Ha, ha, ha. Ga, ga, ga. Ja, ja, ja. Ka, ka, ka. La, la, la. Ma, ma, ma. Na, na, na. Pa, pa, pa. Ra, ra, ra. Sa, sa, sa. Ta, ta, ta. Va, va, va. So these are the blends with I, O and U. Short sound of I is E, E, E. Short sound of O is O, O, O. And the short sound of U is A, A, A. So now we know all the short sounds of the vowels. A will say A, A. E will say E, E, E. I will say E. O will say O. And U will say A. So children, go back to the video. Do the blends over and over again until you learn how to blend. Okay, bye-bye. I will see you next week with more practice with the blends. Bye-bye.